Hello guys, today I'd like to introduce the updated version of the Scraping Kung Fu website, and now it has this little cute homepage describing what is this site all about and what does it offer to you, basically, with the quick links. And also now it contains the community tab where you can write some posts to interact with each other or just interact with me personally. So if you have any questions or regarding the web scraping, or if you just want to chat with somebody from the community, well, I would actually love if the community of the Code Monkey King's YouTube channel would be interacting in this particular community tab. That would be a real pleasure for me. And just to show you how it works, so well, if you just don't do anything, it would ask you to enter your name and the post itself. So you need actually to write your username, same case, Code Monkey King, that's short for Code Monkey King, and here I just say greetings to our our YouTube community, and just click the post here, and actually the post appears on this side. Also, I've added a little contact tab that actually describes who I am and what am I doing. I'm the Python developer specializing in web scraping, Flask apps, and RESTful APIs, so you can mail me directly here or view my Upwork profile as well. And also I've added the dashboard that kind of shows what particular endpoints were reached recently. Yeah, so that's the history. So I've just deleted the history in my Mongo database cloud here. So just to show you how it actually works. So if we say we go to the chambers, what you have already probably seen, well, at least those of you who watched the previous trailer on this channel. So we can go to the some chamber, like say chamber number 2. Here is the exercise, the example data to scrape to improve your web scraping skills. Say we then can go to the chamber number 3, and we can loop over the pages here, and actually then if we just go back to the dashboard, then we'll actually see that what particular endpoints and basically pages has been visited recently. So instead of just IP, where the request has come from, the method URL and the referral, also we can see the entire set of the HTTP request headers here, including the user agent. So and now some interesting thing regarding this feature. So say if you just invoke the scraping shell and make the HTTP GET request to some particular source. So also say just try the chamber number 3 with a page 3, say copy this, and I just say, well, I can even okay, let's just make this simple fetch like this. Okay, so the first request, I just do this by hands. First, that's page number 2, that's page number 45, whatever. And if you just now go to the dashboard and see the user agent, then we'll see that this is actually the request has been done with the scraping, but it's not really that easy to track them like this, like with actually clicking this little green plus button. Well, how you can see that it doesn't have the refer, which is at some point might be the reason for your scrapers to get banned if there is no refer here. But another way to search by user agent, here I just can type scrapey here, and I see all the scrapey kind of requests that were done with the scrapey, and absolutely the same would be if the Python requests library would be used. So instead of the scrapey here would be written something like requests, Python requests library, and the version as well. So this is it, guys. I hope you will enjoy these new features on the Scraping Kung Fu site, and basically this is it for this video. And soon I'm going to make new chambers. I have for about 12 items in my to-do list on the chambers to implement in the nearest future. So until that time, when I'll be covering the next steps on how to improve your web scraping skills. So this is it. I hope you have fun with this site, and I hope this site will really help you to learn web scraping, to interact with each other, to have fun, have a good time, etc. So until the next time, and take care.